see him. I'm not kidding. What's up, everybody? In today's video, we have a fan here. And with our beautiful fan, we are going to be hunting Pogo19. Pogo19. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to share Discord so you can be in a video like this guy. And alright, so the first code that Pogo19 was seen in was Cycles. So let's join Cycles 19.
Cycles?
19.
Wait, 18 or 19?
19. Okay, so
I'll
see
he
you there.
was found before. Wait, he was found before, so he's real.
Yes, I'll see you there. I'm the only person.
You.
We are the only people in this code. Wait,
will he show up on the leaderboard?
no. Let me explain what he does. So in dark places, you will hear the pogo stick sound. And it really freaks out people a lot. So we should probably gear up.
Yeah. Is he possible to kill?
You know what? No, fuck. I'm the grappling hook. Alright, I'll wait for you. And
No, I just got this. Okay.
our first place that we are going to be looking for pogos is in the sewers. Okay.
Alright, if I shine the light, will he disappear?
No, you just hear the pogo stick noise. It's scary. Okay, W light though. W light. It makes me not really that scared anymore.
Oh my god!
Dang, that scared me. Dang. Okay. So I'll kill him. Wait. Don't move. Okay, it's looking good so far. Okay. Let me just activate this guy. Hey. Okay. Do you want to see what's in here? Shotgun! Oh!
In my stash, I'm so sad.
Wait.
Like I have flashlight bags.
I'm not hearing it yet.
There.
But I think I'm just gonna kill him. Wait, I have ammo.
I hear a pogo noise.
Oh my god, I heard that. I freaking heard that. Dude, I'm kinda scared. Holy crap, scared. Holy crap! Oh my god!
Alright.
Dude, I heard that. I heard it too.
Wait, it sounds like it came from behind here. Let's go look. Should we go look?
Wait, a pogo stick! Dude, I think we should die and respawn. Cause that's the safest way to get out of here.
Okay, should we actually find him now?
You can't see him, that's the thing. But I think we found him. But we should go into another spot. We should go in Armstrong Cave or something like that.
In this code or a different one?
In this code, because this code could actually be haunted. Wait, is there no one in the code? Alright guys, so it was a success, our first code, but now let's go into a second code. Alright, so bro, the code, this next code is Pogo19, and it's probably gonna have a bit of people in it, which is kind of good, so let's join it. This code.
If this doesn't work, let's go back to Pogo19.
I'm getting kinda scared. But
if this doesn't work, then let's go back to Cycle 19 and try and find another piece.
no, I don't want to find another piece of Loki.
No, I actually just heard one though, I'm not lying. I heard one boing thing. Yeah, I'm
Are you sure?
I heard one boing.
I think you're lying there.
On my life, I'm not lying.
Let's go to Goop Mines. So, yes. There's this part. It's called Seal Cave, and it has a bunch of sea. I'm not kidding, I see. I'm not kidding, I just heard it.
Let's go, let's go.
Nope, nope, nope,
No.
nope.
Go, 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 go. Just go, just go, just go.
Nope, nope, dude. Pogo19 just activated an explosion, then he made a couple boings.
No, let's just go and find it. Go in there, let's go.
No,
No, let's
Oh my god, you scared me so much.
Bro. Holy crap. I just see a man.
Y'all trying to be ghost hunting?
Yeah,
Wait,
bro,
don't
I
sue
just
us,
see
we
a
heard it
man
before.
with big black eyes, and I'm like, holy crap, what the heck? Alright,
Here, I'll do it
Let's
here.
do
Bet.
we'll finally be less scared. Please don't show us though.
We won't do it.
Alright, yeah.
See on chewers.
Have you got a gun?
No,
See on chewers.
I don't got a weapon.
Everyone shush so you can hear the pogo stick.
Okay.
I hate
Guys, here's when I heard it in Ghost 19. So I was around there, and then I heard it from over here. So let's just keep on going.
Yo, Matt, shush. Yeah, that's kind of creepy, bro.
No!
Titus, can you wait for me? No.
Goodbye.
And MCW6.
Oh my god, Dude, I just escaped it.
Yo, what the heck happened? Oh, you're just doing this.
Holy crap.
Can we wait for